How to make a formula in Microsoft Excel. Before everything, we should know something about Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a program, is an application for calculating some formulas and other things. Each cell in Excel has a name. For example, this cell A1, this cell is A2, this one A3. So we learned that each cell has a specific name. It's necessary to know, especially when we want to create a formula. Now we start to make this simple formula here. In order to make a formula, there are some steps. 1. You should click on the specific cell. Now we are going to make a formula here in D8. Okay, this is our formula cell. 2. We should type equal. After that, we should select the cells that we want to enter some amount, some number in them. For example, in this formula, we need x plus y. So we should select a cell for x, for example, this one, D6. Plus, we type plus, and then we should select this cell, D7. After finishing that, we should press enter key on the keyboard. Okay, now we have created this formula. 0 is the default amount for formula cells. We have formula here in the formula bar. Okay, now we want to test this formula. For x, we enter 20, and for y, we enter, for example, 30. The sum of these two numbers will be 50. So our formula works. Okay, now we want to make future value formula. You know this formula, future value equals to present value multiplied by 1 plus r powered by n. When we want to write a formula, we should use specific and particular characters. For example, for multiplying, we should use this character, and for power or exponent, we should use this character here. Now we want to create future value formula here. First step is select the formula cell. Here C9 is our formula cell. Okay, we selected it, and then we should type equal. After that, we should select a cell for PV, this one, C6 for PV. Multiply, we should type this, and then parentheses 1 plus R. For R, we select this cell, C7. Parenthesis, the character for power, and then a cell for the number of periods. This cell will be selected, C8. After finishing the formula, we should press Enter key on the keyboard. Now we have created this formula, and we can see the formula in the formula bar here. Okay, now we test it. For present value, we enter $2,000. For interest rate, we enter 0.08, and for number of years, we enter 10 years. Okay, now in formula cell we have this amount, this number, 4,317.85. This is future value. We should deposit $2,000 in a bank, and after 10 years we will have this amount, $4,000 and 317.85. That was the way that we can make a formula in Microsoft Excel.